Jan from Jandle in the City. If you're new to my channel, or if this is the first time that you're here, welcome or welcome back. I'm going to be offering different content on my channel, so please watch for that, guys. If you haven't yet subscribed and you like the content in this video, please give me a comment, a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel. And also follow me over on Instagram at Jandle Smith. Today's video, guys, is going to be something Strathberry. I picked this up a while ago, but I've been so busy with my business that I haven't had the opportunity to unbox it and share it with you. But before I get started, I wanted to share something with you. The lip gloss that I'm wearing today is from Jandle Marie Beauty, and it is this gorgeous pink color. It goes on like a gloss with a little bit of tinge to it. It'd be great over a matte lipstick, but I wanted to show that, and it comes in this amazing lip gloss container, guys. And the one that I'm wearing is called Girl Famous. This one was inspired by the actress Mary Zelba, which resides in Vancouver. She was Miss Ohio. She is an amazing singer and actress, guys. So, wanted to share that with you. So, let's get started. So, guys, the item I picked up comes in this box. It did come from the UK, straight off the Strathberry website. So, let me go ahead, guys. I'm going to open the box, take it out, and then I'll reveal it to you. So, guys, I've taken out the box. And here's what it looks like when it arrives and you take it out of the box. It is like that with the gold Strathberry on the front of the box. Let me go ahead, guys, set this down. Take off the lid. And here is the contents inside. It came wrapped like this with this tissue that says Strathberry there in black and gold. Let me go ahead, guys, undo the sticker. It comes like this in its own little type dust bag. It's made out of like a thick, durable canvas. Very sturdy. Let me go ahead, guys, and remove that. Ooh, I just got a sneak peek, guys. Move the box. So there's what it comes like, guys. It's like a little shopping tote, which I think is really nice to have instead of just a dust bag, because you can use these items as well. Okay, guys, are you ready to see which one that I got? And I do have a little bit of notes here as well. So let me go ahead, guys. Oh my God, the smell of the leather is amazing. So here we go, guys. Is this not the cutest little bag? It is in a dark caramel brown. It's showing up on screen a little lighter than what it is. It is just the cutest little bag, guys. So let me tell you a little bit about this bag. The size is 7.1 in width, 3.1 in the depth, and 5.9 in the height. It does have micro lining in the inside, which I will show you. It is 100% calf leather. This is called the small nano tote crossbody. So it does have the features here of the gold bar, which is signature for Strathberry, along with the gold Strathberry logo there. Does have on the bottom the 4 gold feet. Let's go ahead, guys. We'll open it up. It does have one handle. It is got strong magnetic closure for safety for all of your items. It does come with this little care booklet that was inside the bag. It also comes with, you set it down, this really nice gold chain for crossbody. It does have a little bit of the leather there, so it will fit comfortably on your shoulder and the chain will not dig inside. There's a Strathberry logo there on that side. And it does have the clips like this to connect to the bag with Strathberry there, and I'm going to show you that in 1 second. Let's take a look and see what the interior looks like. So like I said, it's got all this microfiber inside, one large open compartment with a slip pocket there. Does have the Strathberry logo on the inside, and it says that made in Spain. Like I said, this one I ordered on their website at strathberry.com. They were having a 20% off sale at the time. So let me go ahead, guys, and put the strap on. So guys, I've gone ahead, I have attached the strap onto both sides, and I'm going to show you a few mod shots. So guys, this is what it looks like on. I am 5'3" for reference. It fits comfortably at my hip, as you can see there. You can also carry it like this. You cannot put it through the crook of your hand because it is extremely small. But overall, it is such a cute little bag, guys. And I'm going to show you what fits inside. So guys, I am going to stick in here my Chanel card case. I'm going to put in here as well my Louis Vuitton 4 key holder. I'm also going to put in here my phone, a lip gloss. There's the inside, guys, and there's still plenty of room, you can see, in height and also in width to put some more items in that little bag. It is the cutest little thing, guys. Look at that. And it's not that heavy as well after you put all of your items in there. I just love the color. The smell is amazing, guys. So if you're thinking about getting one, head over to Strathberry. I'm sure right now they do have a Mother's Day sale going on, and you can save, I think it is 20% off. You can also put a twilly on the strap. They do sell the twillies on the Strathberry website in multiple colors. I think they're about 190 Canadian dollars and up to 105 when they are on sale. They do also have jewelry, Strathberry jewelry, which is really nice. It looks like amazing quality. So I thought I'd share that with you guys. If you haven't yet subscribed, please hit that subscribe button so you'll be notified of upcoming new videos. Head over to Instagram at Jandle Smith as well. So remember, guys, to find your style. Don't be afraid to express it, because that's who you are. Have an amazing day, guys. Till next time, take care.